Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Princess Hair. This company is from AliExpress. They did send me a 13 by 6 28-inch curly unit, and this unit, you guys, is at 220% density. So I'm very excited to show you guys this install. I love a company that sends me long hair, so I can't wait for you guys to see this full install. I am about to go out, so this is the dress that I'm wearing. This dress is from Amazon. Just a long dress. Like, you guys, if I'm gonna wear a dress, I definitely want it to be long and tight. You know, when it's like gripping your legs at the bottom, like gripping the calf. Yes, so yep, just the all black thing. Black is one of my favorite colors, and I think that this hair definitely goes really good with it. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Before we jump into the full install of this video, you guys, I do want to introduce you guys to a new fragrance that I'll be wearing tonight. I am going out tonight, so I am wearing Dossier perfume, of course. Dossier is a perfume company that sells designer perfumes at an affordable price. So the designer perfume that I'm wearing today is the Juliet Has a Gun. That's the name of the perfume. This will be like a brand new, basically, perfume. Not the typical, like, you know, Chanel, Gucci, YSL, something that I always choose, you know what I'm saying? I love their fragrances, but this is gonna be a new fragrance that I chose, and it is Musky Musk. That's the name of the Dossier perfume, but again, it's the Juliet Has a Gun perfume. So I'm gonna spray this now. You guys, I have to be very careful because I cannot spray any type of perfume on my skin because I will literally break out. Something that I learned. You guys, this perfume, I will say this is the perfect perfume for going out. Definitely if you want to walk into a room and people ask you, you know, what is that fragrance? This is definitely that fragrance. It's very sexy, very feminine. It's very potent. You can smell it, but it's just, it's a really sexy and feminine perfume. And like I stated before, you guys, this is the Musky Musk. And you guys, the sizing of the perfume, they give you a perfect size. It's 50 milliliters. And then also, if you feel like the perfume is not for you, you can definitely return it. But like I stated before, this is 50 milliliters. I think this is the perfect size for perfume, and you don't have to use too much. Like I said, I have so many collections of Dossier perfumes, and I can tell you right now, these perfumes do last a long time. The fragrances are very potent and they last a long time. So I definitely, I like, no lie, you guys, this perfume smells so good. This has to be one of my favorite. And like I said, I can get very comfortable with certain fragrances, like doing like the Chanel, the YSL, the Gucci's, you know, just the typical, you know, wanting to do the same thing because I'm so comfortable, you know. So you guys, to get money off of this fragrance or any other fragrance from Dossier, please use my code Anaya10 to get money off. I'm telling you guys, it's worth it. While you would purchase any Gucci, YSL, the Juliet Has a Gun, any designer perfume at a very expensive price anywhere else, you would be paying what, like almost $100, $120, $150, maybe more. Go to Dossier. I'm telling you, go to Dossier. It's very much so worth it. And again, you can use my code to get money off. I'll have this information down below and also in the description box.
So you guys, what I'm doing now is just laying down the Wonder Lace glue. I no longer use Ghost Bond glue because Ghost Bond glue does break me out. But this glue definitely works just as well. Actually, this is just one of my favorite. If I'm going to use a type of glue like this, the Wonder Lace glue is the one to use. I will have that information in the description box for you guys because I'm telling you, this is the best glue hands down. So I just blow dry it just to speed up the process, and I'm also going to wait a little bit just so I can put on the second coat. Now you guys, this lace is a little more on the clearer side, but no worries, I'm definitely going to show you guys how I blend it. It's really easy once you get the hang of it, how to maintain a clear lace front, especially if you don't feel like bleaching or anything. So I just want you guys to watch how I lay this down. I am just using a headband to go ahead and just stick the lace down. And then I'm just going to wait a little bit, go ahead and use my hair wax stick to lay down the top to get that bulkiness down. I will also have this hair wax stick information in the description box because these work wonders. Now guys, what I also usually use is the TRESemmé holding spray. This spray is one of the best sprays hands down if you want to lay down that lace. Gives you a firm hold. Check out the TRESemmé spray, you guys. I'll also have this in the description box. I just want you guys to know all the tools to lay down your hair, and this is even for beginners as well. Something really easy. If you don't want to use glue, you can definitely use the TRESemmé holding spray. I would say you still should use a type of glue for a 13x6 or a 13x4. In this instance, this is a 13x6, so I would definitely just say use a type of Ghost Bond glue or the Wonder Lace glue, which is what I use. Now, you guys, I did cut some of the lace already before I laid the hair down because it was so much lace. But I left just enough so you guys can see how I do lay it down. And as you guys can see, the lace is already blending. You could still see that clearness, but it's definitely firm, so I'm just gonna lay down the baby hairs, which the baby hairs were so easy. I plucked this hairline as well before I installed it. So it was just really easy to pull out the baby hairs, and you guys can see the scalp. So just so it looks more natural once I go ahead and start blending, which you guys will see in just a moment. Oh, I think one of the best parts is laying down the baby hairs. Just watch how I lay down these baby hairs, y'all. The thing I really love about this unit, you guys, is that it's a true definition of a curly unit, okay? The true definition. This unit is so beautiful, you guys, and I got so many compliments on this hair, literally, like so many compliments. It's so beautiful. The density, the thickness. This hair does not shed. The only time I got a little bit of shedding is when I was putting my fingers through it with the gel that I'm gonna be using to define my curls. But other than that, this unit is definitely more so on the yucky side. Definitely a natural look. Now, if you put gel in it, it definitely will give you a silky texture. But more so, it's on the yucky side, which I really love because it looks definitely more natural. So I just want you guys to really just dig into this install. Just watch how beautiful and defined these curls are. And of course, you guys, the sizing of this unit, it's basically a one size fit all. All you need to do is adjust the straps, and either way it's going to fit. I had no issues with this unit fitting onto my head. But you guys, look at this install. Just look at it. It looks so good. The curls are so beautiful. And as you guys can see, the only thing that I'm doing now is just blending it with the foundation because I didn't use bleach. And voila, it's beautiful. Okay, I will have everything in the description box for you guys. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bells so every time I post you don't miss an update.